Hello, my name is Luke Michael Benneker, and I'm going to be making chicken schnitzel tonight. What we want to do first is this is some chicken breast. I'm going to put it into a plastic package, and we're going to smash it like that. Now it's nice and flat, maybe a bit heavier. Well, you mustn't put the oven on too hot, just put it about on 4, and then you could put a bit of some oil on it. Yeah. Just swish it around the pan like that. And there you go. Well, now we got the flour here, we just need to go season it. All we got here is we got some salt, we got some cooked black pepper, and some Robinsons, and some Italian herbs. Just put a bit in, it's quite a lot. Some pepper, and some Italian herbs. Just pull some in your hand and just put it, and then you just have to, all you just do is just that, and then you got some seasoned flour. Well, what we're going to do is we've got our seasoned flour, we got some egg yolks, and we got some breadcrumbs. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of the chickens which we dashed down earlier. Let's tap it like that, lift it over, and tap it like that. And from that, we're going to put in the egg yolk, flip it around, just let it drip like that. Then we put it into breadcrumbs. Tap it still. Make sure every single corner has like breadcrumbs on it. Tap it. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick it in the pan. Well, these are nice cooking on the go. I've flipped them once, so let's just flip this one again. So that looks very nice. And let's flip this one. Yeah, and let's flip this last one. Well, as you can see, these two are crispy on both sides. So let's just put that over there. These are also very nice, like a salad and some chips. Maybe like a sauce would go very nice with it. And then we eat it. That's the end of our episode.
This looks delicious.
Oh, yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.